Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the Epson SureColor SC-P900 large format printer Wi-Fi inkjet. This isn't just any printer, it's a game changer for anyone looking to produce high-quality, large format prints with ease. From photographers to artists, and even businesses, this printer is packed with features that will take your printing to the next level. One of the standout features of the Epson SureColor SC-P900 is its outstanding image quality and color. The all-new UltraChrome PRO 10 ink with violet produces a wide color gamut, resulting in vibrant and rich colors that are sure to impress. Whether you're printing photos, artwork, or marketing materials, the colors will be so vivid and lifelike, you'll feel like you're looking at the real thing. This is thanks to the printer's ability to produce a wide range of colors, including subtle shades and nuances that other printers might miss. The result is a print that's not only visually stunning, but also incredibly accurate. Another key feature of the Epson SureColor SC-P900 is its new 10-channel MicroPiezo AMC printhead. This technology consistently delivers prints with outstanding speed, consistency, and accuracy every single time. The printhead is designed to work in harmony with the UltraChrome PRO 10 ink, ensuring that each print is of the highest quality. This means you can trust that your prints will turn out perfectly, whether you're printing a single copy or a large batch. The speed and efficiency of the printhead also make it ideal for high-volume printing, making it perfect for businesses or organizations that need to produce a large number of prints quickly. But what really sets the Epson SureColor SC-P900 apart is its ease of use. The printer features a 4.3-inch customizable touchscreen, making it easy to navigate and select the settings you need. The wireless connectivity also allows you to print files directly from your device using an easy-to-use interface. This means you can send your prints to the printer from anywhere in the room, without having to physically connect your device. The printer also has a compact design, making it 23% smaller than the previous generation, so it won't take up too much space in your office or studio. And with the dedicated nozzles for both black ink types, you'll never have to worry about switching ink again, saving you time and hassle. The Epson SureColor SC-P900 also accommodates rolls and sheet media up to 1.5 millimeters thick, including Epson Professional, Signature-worthy, and Legacy papers, as well as third-party media. This gives you the flexibility to print on a wide range of materials, from standard paper to thick cardstock and even canvas. The professional media handling capabilities of the printer make it ideal for artists, photographers, and designers who need to produce high-quality prints on a variety of substrates. Whether you're printing a photo, a piece of artwork, or a marketing brochure, the Epson SureColor SC-P900 has the capabilities to produce a professional-looking print that will impress your clients and customers. In conclusion, the Epson SureColor SC-P900 large format printer Wi-Fi inkjet is an incredible piece of technology that is sure to take your printing to the next level. With its outstanding image quality, new 10-channel MicroPiezo AMC printhead, and ease of use, this printer is perfect for anyone looking to produce high-quality, large format prints. Whether you're a professional or just starting out, this printer is sure to impress. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Epson SureColor SC-P900 today and start producing prints that will amaze and inspire. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your printing to new heights. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life with the Epson SureColor SC.